Meet the next generation self-empty robot, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Self-Empty XL. Its advanced AI laser navigation precisely cleans row by row while avoiding objects day or night. And now with Ultra Clean, you can target and deep clean single rooms, high traffic zones, and specific spots. Ultra Clean combines powerful suction with a multi-directional cleaning pattern to deep clean areas that need it most. The Shark AI Ultra Robot also features a bagless self-empty base that traps dust for up to 2 months. And everything is controlled by the app or your voice. Ultra smart for an ultra clean home.